5, index ranges from 0 to 4. This shows how to assign values to individual array elements and how to print the value of a given array element. As it seems, it is very simple. You can use for loop and for accessing array elements in Java. Number of for loops that have to be used may depend on the dimension of the array. You can also use for each loop if you want to access all array elements. Syntax: the for each contains keyword for variable declared of same type as array and the colon followed by the array name. Multi-dimensional arrays are arrays of arrays. They are useful for representing matrices as well as tables. Examples are shown in following slides. Example 1 shows an two-dimensional array of integers, which contains 512 single-dimensioned arrays. Example 2 shows three-dimensional array declaration. Example 3 shows declaration, instantiation and initialization of two-dimensional string array. To access an element in a multidimensional array is just the same as accessing the elements in a one-dimensional array. We have to specify the index and the array name. Only difference is index contain more than one value. Length operator returns the size of the array. It normally used in for loops to decide the number of times that the for loop must run or to print the array size. Here is a program that prints all elements of an array using the array-length function. If we want to our entire array or part of it to another array, we can use this method. We have to specify the source array, starting point of copying, destination array, place where array should be copied to destination array, and the number of elements to be copied. This example shows copying of source array primes from its first element to last element to the destination array called C. To create the exact duplicate of an existing array, we can use Java clone method. Next slide shows how to use this method. In this example, we have duplicated the array called primes to an array called backup. In this slides, we have only talked about three most used array operators for Java. But Java provides methods and operators to perform any operation you want on arrays, including searching, sorting and many other operations. Array index out-of-bound exception occurs when index is less than 0 or greater than or equal to array length. For example, if try to access the index 50 of an array of a size 5, or try to access the index such as -10. Null pointer exception occurs when we try to access the array location that is not assigned the object reference. Occurs when we create arrays of user-defined types, or type of string. That will be all about arrays in different languages. Thank you.